50. So just mention those numbers 41 to 50. What are those? Quant. Will you solve? Approximation. Come on. 175, 484, 83. 83 subtracted from this fellow. 401, 576. Which number square? 24 square. Right. 400, 600. 50, 50. Total 1100. 9 plus 41. 50. And then 6. That means under root of 1156 only. Now, what is 35 square? And this number is less than that, close to that. So we can treat it as 34, which is equal to x into 45, x divided by 45. Then x is equal to this number multiplied by 45. 45 times, how do we do? 50 times minus 5 times. What is 100 times? 50 times. 1700. 5 times. Answer 1530. Can we verify 9 multiplication rule? No. Approximations risky. Ardhamainda? What percent? What is a number? 700. Out of 700, 10%? 70. 60% in the sense 6 into 70. 4 plus 57, 76. What is 60 square? Much more. 70 square? More. 80 square? So that is in between 70 and 80 only. What is 75 square? 56, 56, 25. And that is little bit more than that number. So it has to be more than 75. Approximately into, yes, 25 square or 5 power 4. 4th root of 5 power 4. 5 times of this number. 3. Sum of both the numbers. 800 is equal to right hand side number x into 20. Then x is equal to divided by 20. 40. What percent? Of or 500% of 98? 5 times of 98. 980 and half. 4 plus 36% of Amma 1500 anacha. Can I also take 1500% of 36? Can I also take 15% of 3600? 10% plus of 360, 180, 5, total 1030. Under root value only. Antena? Root x is equal to 1030. X is equal to square of this number. ఎట్లా 32 అవుతుంది మీ బొంద? మీరు అసలు వాళ్ళు తప్పించారని మీరు కూడా తప్పు చేస్తే ఎట్లా? మరి మీ దుంపల దగ్గర. వాట్ ఈస్ లెఫ్ట్ హ్యాండ్ సైడ్ వాల్యూ? వాట్ ఈస్ దిస్? వాట్ ఈస్ దిస్ ఫెలో? వాట్ ఈస్ సమ్? Which is equal to root x, right? You need to find out x value only. Then x is equal to 1030 whole square, right? Answer unda adi? Tappu. Instead of root x, what must be there? X square must be there. Then answer is 32. Okay na? Answer le adjust చేస్తున్నారు మీరు. దానికి సరిపోయేలాగా రేంజ్ పెరిగింది. పేపర్ కరెక్షన్కి పోవచ్చు అయితే. వాట్ ఈస్ దిస్? ప్లస్ 184. వాట్ ఈస్ దిస్? ఇంటూ, దట్ ఈస్ 900 ఓన్లీ, రైట్? హండ్రెడ్స్ ప్లేసెస్ 300, 100, 900, 1300, 60, 84, 144. That is 1444. Which square is this? 38 square. 50. 16 times. 1600 times and half only. How much is that? Minus 50% of 560, 50%, which is 2. Subtract 300, add 20, 520. Will it solve? Yes. Is it a free? No. 120 can be written as minus 10 into minus 12. Factors are 10 comma 12. 210 can be written as 14 into 15. Product must be negative number. One of the number of between 14 and 15 is a negative, but sum must be plus 1. So I'll take minus 14 plus 15. Then factors are plus 14 minus 15. This lies in between these two numbers. Relation cannot be established. This is 15 into 15 only. Then factors only one factor minus 15. Matladru. 320. 16 20 times only. Plus 16 plus 20. Factors are minus 16 minus 20. X is greater than Y. Is it a free? No. 80 can be written as 180 can be written as 15 12 times minus 15 minus 12 minus 27. Factors are plus 12 plus 15. Yes. 168. 168 can be written as 12 14 times only. This is 169 minus 1. 13 square minus 1. I told you already to identify the nearest square. Correct. Now combination is minus 12 plus 14. Factors are plus 12 minus 14. Y is negative, X values both are positive. Greater condition, equal condition, greater condition. So X is it a free? No. 156 can be written as 12 13 times only. Plus 12 plus 13 is the combination. Factors minus 12 minus 13. 66 into 2 we have, correct? 66 can be written as 6 into 11. Already we have 2 also. 6 to 12 and then 11. So minus 12 plus 12 minus 11 plus 12 is the combination. Matladali. Factors are plus 11 minus 12. Correct. This is positive. X values are negative. X is straight less than Y. Amma? By 2 undi kada, sorry. By 2. So how much is this? 5.5. Otherwise, if you have like this, what I'll do is, sir, ఏదైనా ఒకటి telandi. 5.5 minus 6. Positive and negative numbers, correct? X is less than minus 12 minus 6. Less than minus 13 minus 6. Less than X less than Y. So this number we can write it as 3 15 times only. 3 into 3. 9 and 15, that is 24. Minus 9 minus 15 divided by 3. Yes. This number we can write it as 8 into 9. 2 into 8. 16 and then 9. Minus 16 plus 9, that is minus 7. Some condition satisfied. Factors are plus 16 minus 9 divided by 2. How much is this? Minus 3 minus 5. 8 minus 4.5 lies in between these two numbers. In between. Now this can be written as 2 into 9. 4 into 2. Minus 8 minus 9 minus 17. Condition satisfied. Factors are 8 comma divided by, not required because y square is also having same one, correct? So this number we can write it as 3 times of 9, 4 3s. So minus 9 minus 12 is the combination. Factors are 9 comma 12. X is less than or equal to Y. First you need to prepare the table, right? M, N, O, P, Q, R. We were given sum between NGO A and then B. Antena. NGO B value is already there. Percentage, right? If it is 60%, 40% goes to A only. So we'll keep this table here and we'll try to calculate whenever it is required, values are required. Is that okay? Okay. Find the ratio between amount donated to NGO A by persons NPQ together to the amount donated by B by the persons NPQ together. NPQ. N, P and then Q. Right. So we need to have A values and then B values. N, P, Q. Antena 130, 185, 127, 148, 170, 128. NPQ है కదా? NPQ 130, 185. Right. So we have to calculate. Come on. 45% are female. Antena. Now 55% goes to male only. NGO. Avunamma. This is total money donating to NGO A and B together. So this is total. Out of this A and B values we have, correct? Now B occupies 45%. Then remaining 55% goes to A only. 55% calculated on this number only. So that is 55 into 1% value 550. Antena? Can I write it as 55? Because every number we have 3 zeros common, right? If you take 1%, you need to eliminate 2 zeros. So 1 extra 0 is always there. Ardhamotunda. So instead of 550, I will consider only 55. Is it okay for you? Right. Then female are 45%. That is 45 into 55 only. This is 55 square. 55 square. 30. So here it is 30, 25. Yes. Now 30, 25 subtracted from 5,500. That's what you can do. Otherwise 50 minus 5, 50 plus 5, 50 square minus 5 square, 2,500 minus 25, 2,475. Followed. Next, P, 30% of this number. How much? 2,000. 2,100 are here. Remaining 4,900 comes here. We are not writing 10. Be careful. Yes. Next, and then Q. 55%. What is 50%? 30,000. What is 5%? 3,000. 45% in the sense difference only, which is 2,700. 55% in the sense we need to add all the values. 33,000, that we'll write it as 3,300. Okay, na. You are supposed to write one more 0 everywhere. For simplification purpose, I am not writing. Is that okay? Right. So now the question is about ratio between all these numbers. 2, 3, 4. 9,000. Antena. 900, 700. That is 10,600. And then 25 is 2. Come on. 3, 2, 2. 7, 413, and then 75. So how much is that? 7, 8, 75. Yes or no? Right. So now I don't want to go for solution. When you observe this number, 7 plus 8, 15 plus 5, 20 plus 7, 9 multiple. Left hand side number, 6 plus 1 plus 2, leftover value, is it a 9 multiple? But your second number is 9 multiple. So second number has to be 9 multiple in option. How many? Total amount donated to NGO B by O and Q together is what percent more than the amount donated to NGO B by M? Okay. So now we need to get O values and then M values also. O. 35%. What is 1%? 450, will write it as 45. 35% in the sense 35 only. 40 minus 5, 40 plus 5. 1600 minus 25. 15. 75. They are in B. Okay, now from 4500, if you subtract 1575, the value that you get is 2925. That is in A only. Next, and then also you need to get for M. 60%. What is 50%? 3400. 34,000, will write it as 3400. What is 10%? 680. In A, it is difference only. In B, it is sum only. In B, it is 4080. If 4080 is subtracted from 6800, how much you get? 2720. They are in A. Correct. Now see, NGO B, O and Q. O and Q, NGO B, sum of both the numbers. 4875. So now the question is, 4875 is what percent more than M NGO B? 4080. With respect to 4080, this is how much more? 795 upon 4080, percentage into 100 only. Approximate answer. We'll get answer from the denominator. What is 10% of the denominator? What is 20%? 816. This number is less than that, but close to that. Answer must be less than 20, but close to 20. Approximate 20. Followed. What is the average amount donated by NGO A by MNOPR? R value is not there. 40% are female. Then 60% are male only. Forget about 0. What is 50%? 3600. 10%. 720. That is 4320. Antena. Right. Except Q. We need to add all the values and divide it by 5. Yes or no? Can you do it? Chappala cheyala. Chestara? Sure? ఎవరమైనా ఒకటి యాడ్ చేసి బై 5 చేయాల్సిందే. దర్ ఈజ్ నో టెక్నిక్. ఓకేనా? లాస్ట్ డిజిట్లు కూడా వెరిఫై చేయలేం. ఎందుకు? డివైడెడ్ బై 5 ఉంది కాబట్టి. అవునా? రైట్. ద అమౌంట్ డొనేటెడ్ టు ఎన్జిఓ ఏ బై పర్సన్స్ MOR together is what person more than amount donated to NGO B by NPQ together. Okay. MOR. MOR. 4,000, 2,000, 2,000. 8,000. 7 plus 3. 1,000. 9,000. Plus 900. 9,000. 20, 25, 20. 60. Total. 9,965. What percent more than NPQ? 3,000, 2,000, 2,000. 7,000, 400, 100, 300, 800, total 7,800. Leftover values 75, 7,800, 7,875. We were asked to calculate direct difference only. Direct difference in the sense answer must end with 90 only. And then we have one more zero. మాట్లాడాలి. మన దానిలో ఒక జీరో తీసేసి కదా వచ్చేది. ఫైనల్ ఆన్సర్ రావాలంటే ఇంకొక జీరో పెట్టాలి కదా. అంటే ఆన్సర్ 900తో ఎండ్ అవ్వాలి కదా. అన్నీ అట్లనే వచ్చినాయి అవునా? రైట్. 965 minus 875, that is 090. 9 minus 7, 2, and then finally I am adding 0. 20,900 final answer. Yes. If person T, the amount donated to both NGOs is 20% more than that of person P. The amount donated to NGO A is equal to the amount donated to NGO A by person R. Then find the amount donated to NGO B. Okay. They are talking about new person T who donated to both NGOs the amount which is 20% more than P. What is P value? 20% of that number? 14,000. 14,000 more, right? That means 84,000, which is given to both NGOs A comma B. By which person? T. By person T. And now he is giving amount to NGO A which is equal to amount donated to NGO A by R. R donated 4320 only. So if you subtract 4320, one more zero is required. Matladali. 80,000 minus 40,000. 4,000 minus 3,200. That means 40,800 only. Third option. Amount donated to NGO A by person N. Person N, NGO A. 3025 is approximately what percent of amount donated to NGO B by person Q? Person Q, NGO B, 3,300. Percentage into 100 only. But anyway, we'll get answer from the denominator. Matladali. What is difference between numerator and denominator? 275. What is 10% of the denominator? 330. We don't have to subtract 330. We have to subtract less than that number. That means we have to subtract less than 10%. If you subtract less than 10%, answer must be more than, go to options, only one. Followed?